Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Vija and I make DIY videos for home decor. Today's video is kind of special for me because it's been a year I have started making these videos. In a year, I have improved a lot. I have learned a lot. I want to thank to all my subscribers and viewers because they have encouraged me to learn all those things. And of course, I will try my best to make it better in coming times. Today's video is about some upcycling project. Christmas is less than 2 weeks away and we are almost done decorating your houses. So I thought why not to make a decor which we can use it on a Christmas and maybe later than Christmas. So this is a project that you can create with anything that you have lying around the corner and you don't want to throw it away. You still want to use it. So without wasting a second, let's get started with our first project.
So first project will be textured bowl. This is a bowl that you can use it as the centerpiece on your table or probably on the coffee table. I had this acrylic bowl and caulking sealant. You're probably gonna need one caulking sealant tube for one bowl. If you want to have it good textured, one will be more than enough, I guess. But again, it's up to you depending on the bowl size. So to make a first layer, I started from inside. I added a little bit of caulking inside and gave a thin layer of it, and then moving ahead, I did the same thing on the outside and gave a little bit thicker layer than I gave in the inside. Then once I thought that I have a good nice thick layer, I let it dry for as the given time, and once it was dry, I gave another layer. I wanted to have it textured, and I really wanted to make sure that the inner layer that is dried up completely. So I added the second layer and painted the bowl with the gold spray paint. You can use any kind of metallic gold spray paint, even the stone spray paint will be fine. And here we are done with the first project. And the second one is my favorite actually. These are the tile coasters actually, but not made up of tiles. So these coasters that you can see here that I got in the last Christmas, and they were pretty old. Even the stickers were coming out from it, and I thought I need to upcycle it. So to upcycle it, I had this shelf liner, which is pretty. It has a pretty textured. It's evenly textured in a white color. From that shelf liner, I cut the appropriate amount of the liner I was going to need for the coasters. I always go for a little bit extra because that gives you a little bit space to work around it. And when I had the liner amount cut, I put the coasters and I went over it very precisely with my precision knife. Coasters look very, very well finished and nice. And for the last step, I used E6000, the glue like E6000. It's kind of a cement glue, and stick those liner to the coaster. Then I went over the coasters again and cut the extra part that I had in the coasters. It was looking just like the tiles. You can't even tell the difference if it's a tile or the wood. And here we are done with the second project.
Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you have enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like or comment on the video, and share it with your friends because that helps me to create my dream community. And once again, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one.